Welcome back to my channel. Today I do a little review about the rain pigeon from Yuge. It is an automatic watering system which I bought from AliExpress. Now I want to explain you how to program this unit, because despite of the manual, it's still pretty complicated to program this unit, and the manual is pretty hard to understand. First you have to power on the system. This is done by pressing the AB button for more than 1 second. It's maybe 3 or so. Now is the system powered on. You can power off the system by pressing the AB button again for like 3 seconds or 4 seconds. When the system is running, the display turns off after 5 seconds. You can turn the display on again by pressing any button for a short time.
Rain Pigeon Intelligent Irrigation System. The electricity is 100%.
And every time you press a button, the system tells you how much power is left in the battery. Now it's 100%. The system is fully charged. So now I explain you how to set the clock. Press first one time the display so that the display goes on, and press again short the set clock button.
Please set hours first, and then press the set clock button to modify minutes.
And now you can set the hours first. To adjust the hours, you can press the plus minus button. And I will show you. Now it's minus, it's like 16:03. And you can set the minutes by pushing the set clock button again short. And now you can adjust the minutes. And you can save the time now by pushing the AB button for a little bit longer.
The setup is complete and it will work as planned.
Now the time is saved. So now I'll show you how to program the system and the intervals of the watering system. First you have to activate the display again, push any button for a short term, and now you can program the watering time. Press this button.
The left side of the screen
watering
shows the
time,
and the right side shows how long. You can set up multiple tasks.
Okay, this is now you can see here the hours. So this system works only by hours. So you can set for each system. This has there's system A and system B. That's wrong. So here's written system A and system A. It must say system A and system B. So you have two systems which represent the two pumps which are here. So, and you can program this device in hourly intervals. So I will show you now how to adjust a program. Let's say we set the system to noon. This system has now in system A, pump A, a program at 12 o'clock. So you can now program how long by pressing the how long button one time, and you can here now set the seconds. So I want to say like 10 seconds. So the system works now. Pump A pumps at 12 o'clock for 10 seconds. And now we can set the days intervals by pushing this button.
Set 0 if you need to start every day.
And
Set 7 if you need to start once a week, and so on.
And so on. That's probably a bit confusing, but you can now set the intervals. Yeah. So if it now it's set for every day, and if you program it like 7, then it's watering only every 7 days, one time at 12 o'clock for 10 seconds. But what you can do, you can also program 14. That means it's watering every 14 days at 12 for 10 seconds. So, and now it's getting weird. You can also program the system like really high numbers. So you could program in the system that the device works only every 124 days at noon and watered a plant for 10 seconds. So it's you can use it for plants which need water only very few, like cactus or orchid or something exotic. So it's probably really interesting for rare plants which need only water like once a month or so. So that's quite interesting. So now I'm going back and reduce the interval. So now I'm back on a daily interval. To save this program, you have to push AB now for some time.
The setup is complete and it will work as planned.
So now is this program in the system. You can check if your program is accurately in the system by just pressing
The left side of the screen shows
watering
the
time again.
and the right side shows how long. You can set up multiple tasks.
So now you can skip to all your programs from system A, and you can look here by hour. I already put in a program at 6 o'clock in the morning, watering for 2 seconds, and also 7 o'clock in the morning, watering for 1 second. And now is the other program at noon for 10 seconds. So you can check if everything is okay, and you can save your information again.
The setup is complete and it will work as planned.
When you want to program the other systems, system B, so to say, which is also written here, system A, you have to go in the
Rain Pigeon Intelligent Irrigation System. The electricity is 100%.
you are going in the settings
The
by
left side
water
of the
time,
screen shows the watering time, and the right side shows how
and
you can set up multiple tasks.
you have to switch the AB button short,
Switch
and
to System B. All settings are completed. Please press Long to save.
now are you in the system B, and you can program the system as I've already shown you with the system A. So and if it's finished again, you just have to press the AB button, and now it's programmed. I just want to show you now the manual mode. It's pretty interesting. It also can be used to test the system. Put the system in the water with the filter, and you can just power on the pump A and pump B with this button here.
Turn on the manual mode.
And when you press the button, you can see there's water coming out,
Turn on the manual mode.
and you can change the system, and
Turn off the manual mode.
you can turn off the manual mode by pressing the button of the pump, which is currently active one more short time. So the system is now off. I hope I can help you with this, and I will also maybe show you when I have the system fully installed. So thanks for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.